This is Module 1, Week 2, Day 3. How can I be a successful reader? Today we're going to do author's purpose, which is found in the text. Author's purpose, there's an easy way to remember. With the word pen, the P stands for persuasive or giving an opinion, the E stands for expository or giving information, and the N stands for narrative or telling a story. For author's purpose, what we're doing is identifying the author's purpose that helps readers understand what the author wants the reader to learn. So, how can you figure out the author's purpose? Well, first you have to look for clues about the genre, and then we'll ask questions about what we read, and we'll find those answers. Here are some clues that might signal the type of writing it is. If you see a real photograph, that is actually going to be expository. Now, if you look at this clue, we see an illustration or drawings. Drawings are typically found in narratives. And the last clue that you might look for when you're reading a book are words such as I think, you should, or something is the best. These are all opinions, so they would be persuasive writing. So here's what we're going to do. Today we will identify the author's purpose by looking for clues and asking questions because this helps us know what the author wants us to learn. Here's how we can be successful. First, you should read the story or text. We will find those clues that we just talked about, and that will help us to decide. And then we're going to ask questions about what we read. Let me model this for you. So, yesterday we read a book called The Spoon. I'm not going to reread it for time purpose, but in this, I can look for a clue. Over here, I see clues. Did I hear the words I think, you should, or something is the best? Not in this. Do I see real photographs? No. Do I see illustrations or drawings? Yeah, here's a drawing of a spoon. So this one is a narrative. Okay, but I'm also going to double check by asking a question. I'm going to ask, was it telling a story? And yeah, it was telling a story about how Spoon was jealous of the fork and the knife and the chopsticks because they all had other talents that he didn't have. So that is true. It's a narrative. So I'm going to click my star and I'm actually going to drag it down here to narrative because that is the correct answer. Now we're going to practice them together.